boys. Show on.
Holland, buzz on!
Captain Hardrock, I am Hawkmoth. Is the establishment censoring your right to make as much noise as you'd like? From now on, they won't hear anything but your music. I'm giving you an indestructible ship, and you will use it to sail around Paris and blast your music out everywhere you go, as loudly as you please. In return, you will bring to me the greatest of all treasures, Ladybug and Cat Noir's Miraculous.
A treasure in return for freedom? Ho, ho, ho! Then I shall be your pirate, Hawkmoth! Oh no! Raise the mainsail, me deckhands! Let's get swashbuckling around here! Mon?
What's going on?
Your mom has weighed anchor.